the hell are we doing here?
Other than freezing our asses
Dude,
off?
it's so cold and it's
so cold.
April.
It's April. Why is it so cold?
Dude, I'm over it. Like,
I am too.
Texas, make up a fucking decision, please.
For real.
Why are we here?
So the reason that we're here is that we are going to introduce you, the people, to our new studio.
Hey.
First of all, before we dive in here, we do need to thank our new sponsors, DNA Autohaus, as well as Atomic Auto Spa, who have provided us this beautiful warehouse. And once you come in with us and you see and you get to take a look around at what we have to work with now, you'll realize why we're so gracious. So we say we dive in.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Okay, so welcome to our new digs.
Amen. What do we got going on here? First of all, Ferrari.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
Second of all, hi Hulk. What the hell are you doing there?
He's being angry.
Yeah, he's watching over all the cars.
Yeah, I mean, no one's gonna come in here and take a car.
Yeah, nobody's gonna take a car when Mark Ruffalo's watching. Is that Mark Ruffalo or is that who is that?
Maybe that's Eric Bana. What was the other one?
He looks
There was a
pissed.
third one.
Eric Banner and
No.
Chris
No.
Nolan. No. Edward Norton.
Edward Norton. There you go.
I was like, I'll get it eventually.
I like how you had to go from Chris Nolan to Edward Norton.
I had to go from Christopher Nolan to. I knew I was in the right
from
ballpark.
the Batman franchise back to
Yeah.
Marvel.
First of all, let's talk about this.
Yeah.
We haven't unlocked this yet. We're not allowed to, so we're just gonna leave it there.
We got to earn driver's points before we're allowed to unlock that.
We have to put in some work first.
So yeah, so here it is. Here is the Taj Mahal.
The
if
new
you will.
digs.
Yeah. So again, we're very gracious to our sponsors, DNA Autohaus and Atomic Auto Spa, for giving us access to this warehouse. One of the best things about working with a dealership and a detail company is that this background will most likely never stay the same. So there's no telling what you will see. Like right now, we have this beautiful Defender, an F12, this classic 1989 Porsche Speedster live on Bring a Trailer. Make sure you go check that out.
Amen. Link in bio.
And as you saw in the last video, one of Wes's favorite daddy wagons is here, the E63S.
Man, dude, the AMG E63S. Look at this car, dude. With the black top, it's a little Panda, but a perfect little daddy wagon.
That's a beautiful interior too.
Dude, it's so nice.
I'm not totally in love with the car, but I love the interior.
Oh no, I love every part of this car. I would drive the crap out of it.
It sounds amazing too.
Oh,
I got to hit the exhaust and it burbles, and that's my favorite part.
Yeah, any AMG sounds good.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter what it is.
We have tons of ideas for this space, and we'll walk you through that a little bit later, but we'll definitely be bringing you week over week what is available for sale from DNA Autohaus. So if there's anything that you see in our video that you're interested in, we'll make sure to keep a link in the description that you'll be able to go click on that and go check out their inventory. And yes, I am walking around with a cup of coffee because...
Not sponsored.
Not sponsored, nope, but it is cold.
But it is cold as hell out here.
All right. You want to go upstairs?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it. All right.
Where we're actually going to be setting up, where the magic's going to happen.
Yeah,
Also,
careful.
yeah, watch the transmission.
Random C5 Corvette transmission. Yeah, I need a hard hat and steel toe boots for this.
Eventually we'll get carpet, maybe some feng shui, but we got a little bit of work to do.
Maybe a ficus.
Yeah. But
here it is.
Here it is. Look at this view, guys. Like, this is insane.
I could come to work to this every day.
Dude, for real.
Like even the tires and the exhaust I dig it.
Dude, I'm telling you, if we set up the chairs over there, I'm digging it because, yeah, all the auto industry bullshit that you don't need.
Let's talk about our new interview table.
Amen. Look at that thing. But yeah, dude, this is insane.
Yeah.
Definitely, possibly going to keep this set up a little bit similar to this, but going to make it more podcaster friendly. And this monitor has seen better days, not even plugged in.
Yeah, this whole area has seen better days. I think this was set up with the best of intentions.
Yeah.
But never officially got used. So
well, the owner of this area is always on the run and never stops. So it doesn't surprise me that he's never here.
We got the Logitech mouse
from 2010. Hey, it's on. It's got power.
Ooh,
that's
wow.
Insane.
Guitar mouse pad.
Yeah.
Is that bird shit?
Is that bird shit? The fuck?
Ignore that. Hello?
Hello? Craig?
Craig?
Oh no.
Damn it, Craig.
God damn it, Craig.
Yo, is that really necessary?
Yeah, you said there was bird shit. I'm not gonna fucking take my chances here.
Oh my god, you're such a diva.
Bitch. A whole new world. Brought to you by Vinci. New world. Something. Oh, God. I don't know the fucking lyrics. I have more energy than I did yesterday for some reason, though. I was laughing. I was like, I feel good.
Yeah, just
Can take on the fucking world.
some lunches.
Yeah, get into some aesthetics. Calisthenics is what I meant. I'm dyslexic. It's fine.
Yeah, it's dyslexic.
Just lexic dick.
Ooh. Oh, God. This is what takes forever.
Yeah. Trust me, I edit it. I'm aware. Well, thanks so much for watching, guys. We really appreciate it.
Start over. I had a weird face.
Just fucking kill the vibe.
I know.
Well, thanks so much for watching, guys. We really appreciate it. We want to welcome you all to the new studio. We're so excited to have a space where we can actually create, see cool cars, have a place to come, not a garage.
Hey.
Have a studio that we can call our home.
I definitely want to thank our sponsors, DNA Autohaus and Atomic Auto Salon, both located in beautiful. Yeah, I know.
Fancy.
Yeah. You can get your car's nails did.
Everything did.
Everything did. So yeah, both of those are located in beautiful Round Rock, Texas. Whether you're looking for a exotic sports car or you are looking to get your current sports car cleaned up, detailed, PPF wrapped, anything that you need, make sure you visit those guys. So again, we can't thank them enough for giving us the keys to this palace. I mean, why they would trust two idiots with this garage, no
Beats
idea.
Me,
yeah,
honestly.
no idea.
Like, we're just one fucking Achilles tendon away from destroying one of these cars.
Oh yeah, just don't land on the F12.
Dude.
Seriously.
That would be our luck. We would slip and just
yeah, right
face
through the
plant
hood.
right in the hood.
I'm a little nervous
Yeah.
now. These things are too shiny for us.
Yeah, we're not on the insurance either, so we gotta be careful.
So I have an idea. Hear me out.
Okay.
We have a studio now. What if we make a racetrack out back? And then we can invite celebrities to come down. We'll put them in a really cheap car, have them drive around in the racetrack, see who gets the fastest lap, and put them on a leaderboard. On top of that, we hire a racing driver. No one knows who he is.
Okay.
We never reveal his face. And he takes every car in here and puts them on the track and see how fast they are.
See, there's some plot holes in your story here.
Okay.
One, we're broke.
Oh.
Two, we don't know celebrities. And three, we have a parking lot. I can set you up some cones and get you a little tricycle that you can take around for speed, but that's about it.
Well, on that disappointment, it's time to end.
We already blew the budget on the lights.
I thought we blew budget on breakfast tacos.
We couldn't afford the breakfast tacos.
Oh, now I'm hungry.
We couldn't write them off. We had to pay personal. It was
Yeah,
awful.
it's awful.
Yeah. It's almost like we
I
don't
spent my
make
last
money.
$3 on that coffee. Anywho,
We really need views.
yeah, please like and subscribe and hit that little alert button down below that will give you a personalized little alert when we make a video.
For Petrol Station TV, I'm Wes,
I'm Dennis.
and we'll see you in the next one.